sleeping. She's snoring again. Let's fix this.
Whoa, what are you doing?
I just fixed your sleeping. Now you don't snore.
Well, what is this?
That opens up your passageways. That way you can actually breathe at night and you're not snoring so loud and getting bad quality of sleep.
Okay.
Do you feel the difference?
Yeah, actually, I do.
It's pretty cool. They just magnetically clip onto your nose. They come in many different sizes. You have the smallest one on and it's perfect. Super useful for working out or getting a good night's rest. You can get them on the TikTok shop and the orange shopping cart right here on your screen.